The message "could not complete install update service was shutting down" indicates that Windows began installing KB5072033, but the process was interrupted, forcing the system to cancel the update. This interruption usually occurs because the Windows Update service, wuauserv, or a related service shut down before installation could finish. Here are the solutions for this error.
First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. In command prompt, select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type SFC/scanO. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit, and then press Enter. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Recovery. Locate Advanced Startup. Click on Restart Now. Click on Restart Now again. Press Troubleshoot. Press Advanced Options. Press Startup Settings. Press Restart. Press your F4 key. Open a folder. Open your C drive. Open the Windows folder. Locate SoftwareDistribution. Right-click it, and select Delete. Restart your PC. Now run Windows Update. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Press Run. Select Yes to diagnose your issues. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Press Yes if the troubleshooter fixed your issues. Now close the troubleshooter.